Hi, my name is Abdulsalam. I'm going to concentrate on data modeling. Data modeling is the process of creating a visual representation of either a whole information system or parts of it to communicate connections between data points and structures. The data modeling helps organizations visualize and understand complex data systems and data sources. Now let's look at the data modeling process workflow. As you can see from the diagram, have a conceptual modeling, logical modeling, physical modeling, and database. The conceptual modeling is actually a representation of a system. It consists of concepts used to help people understand the subject that the model represents. And the logical modeling is used to define the structure of data elements and to set relationships between them. When we talk about physical modeling, it focuses on physical objects that may be assembled and made work like the object it represents. And eventually, as you can see, there is a database, and database, as we know, is where we are actually storing our data or information in a structured way. Now let's look at the types of data modeling, also called data modeling techniques. Here, as we can see, we have hierarchical, relational, entity relationship, object-oriented, and dimensional data models. The hierarchical data models represent one-to-many relationships in a tree-like format. This type of model, each record has a single root or parent which maps to one or more child tables. And in the relational data models, the relational data models does not require a detailed understanding of the physical properties of the storage being used. In a relational data model, data segments are explicitly joined through the use of tables, reducing database complexity. Now moving to entity relationships data model. Entity relationship data model, they use formal diagrams to represent the relationships between entities in a database. And when we talk about object-oriented data models, the objects involve are abstraction of real-world entities. Objects are grouped in a class hierarchies and then have associated features. While dimensional data models were actually designed to optimize data retrieval speeds for analytic purposes in data warehouse. Now let's look at some powerful data modeling tools. These are some examples of data modeling tools. We have AR Studio, Arwin Data Model, DB Schema Pro, Aki, SQL DB Modeler, Lucidchart, PG Modeler, IBM Impulse Pair Data Architects, DTM Data Modeler, and Magic Draw. So Data Architects can use one of these to design a data model. As I said earlier, the data model can help organization understand complicated data structure and data system. But is designing a data model complicated? Yes, it can be complicated depending on the organizations and the nature of their data and data flow. But thank God, there are many data